Hello friends, today we are going to learn about StreamYard, live streaming studio. It can be used to stream to all major social platforms simultaneously and directly from your browser. It allows 6 participants in the stream and we can use StreamYard to engage live audience on Facebook and YouTube. So let's explore StreamYard. To begin with, we need to search for StreamYard. It will take us to the website www.streamyard.com. Click on it. It will take you to the dashboard of StreamYard. You can start StreamYard on clicking Get Started. If you have account, you can simply log in. So click on Login. Enter your mail ID through which you want to log in. It will send the login code to your mailbox. So go to your mailbox and you will see the 6-digit login code. Copy the code and paste it and click on login. So this is how I get into StreamYard. On the right corner you can see the mail ID through which I have logged in. Here there are different options provided such as broadcast, referrals, billings, settings, contact, frequently asked questions, and the last option is logout. There is an option of broadcast. This page also gives information about upcoming broadcast or past broadcast. If you wish to create a new broadcast, click on Create a Broadcast. It will ask you to add the destination. So click on this plus sign. These are the different options you can add as destination, and they are Facebook page, Facebook group, Facebook profile, LinkedIn page, LinkedIn event, LinkedIn profile, YouTube channel, Periscope, Tweet, RTMP server. RTMP stands for Real-Time Messaging Protocol. This is the protocol developed by Macromedia for streaming audio or video. You can skip this and you can go for a record only. So click on this. You need to provide the title to your broadcast and click on Create Broadcast. So here we are entering into the broadcast. We'll also check our camera and mic. Once the camera and mic is checked, it will display the name, and thereby we are ready to enter into Broadcast Studio. So click on Enter Broadcast Studio. So this is the studio where you have option of mute or unmute yourself, to start or to stop camera, the setting of camera and mic. There is also provision to share the screen. You can also invite the participants. Do remember that maximum 6 participants can be invited. On the right corner, you can see the facility of record. So click on record. Your recording is started. So you can see the recording is started now. On the right side, there is a panel and there are different options like comments, banners. You can click on banners and you can add the banners. You can use the brand, the different colors. You can select the color. You can use the theme. You can also use the logo. By default, this logo is provided by StreamYard. If you want to add your own logo, you need to upgrade the plan. Then there is a third option of chat. Click on private chat and here your chatting starts. So you can start chatting. Here there is an option of settings which allows you for the setting of camera, audio, green screen and guest. So this is all about settings. Let's now see how to share the screen. To share the screen, click on share screen. They will give you some tips like screen sharing is easiest within 2 monitors. Screen sharing works best on a good computer. So these are the tips given by them. You can simply click on don't show these tips again and then click on share screen. You will be allowed to share your entire screen. So select the screen and click on share. If you wish to stop sharing the screen, you can click on stop sharing. You can also invite the guest to your broadcast studio. And here is the link provided. You can copy the link to the clipboard. You can also send this link or the invitation to the participants through Gmail account. So it will take you directly to your account. And here you can see the message from StreamYard. You can add the participant's email ID and click on send. The invitation will reach to the participants. Or else select email option where you can send the invitation through outlook.com, Office 365, Google, Yahoo, iCloud or some other account. At present I am closing it. Or else you can also send the invitation through the Facebook Messenger. So this is how it will take me to the Facebook Messenger through which you can also send the invitation. So this is how you can use live streaming studio provided by StreamYard. If you want to end the broadcast, you can click on end broadcast. If you still want to continue, you can click on not yet. If you really want to end the broadcast, you can click on end broadcast. Now the broadcast has ended. It will ask you to give some remark. So I click on this. You can also send the feedback. Here is the link to download the recording. They will provide you the option of video recording or audio recording. And StreamYard will save your recording for 7 days. So you need to download it the mentioned time. So here it gets downloaded like Facebook or YouTube. Thank you for watching the video. Thanks a lot.